County in northwestern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Antler, or 15 miles north of Philadelphia, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lansdale, Doylestown, Borough, Hatboro, Bedminster, Antler, Jenkintown, Chalfont, Tinicum, Hatfield, New Hope, Dublin, Abington, Ferndale, Brimopin, Frenchtown, Milford, Idleland, Regalville, and Stockton. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 338 and 346. Northeast extension between mile markers 24 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Hunterdon, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: